Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to take L-Carnitine. Start by determining your appropriate dosage, which commonly ranges from 500 milligrams to 2,000 milligrams per day. It's wise to begin with a smaller amount, like 500 milligrams, to see how your body reacts. Always speak with a doctor or pharmacist before adding any new supplement to your routine to ensure it's right for you and your health goals. The timing of your L-Carnitine intake can be important. Many people find it beneficial to take it with meals, which can improve absorption and minimize any potential stomach discomfort. If you're using it for exercise support, consider taking it about 30 minutes before your workout. You can choose from various forms, including convenient capsules, easier-to-measure liquids, or versatile powders that mix into drinks. For optimal results, consistency is crucial. Make sure to take your L-Carnitine regularly, ideally at the same time each day, to maintain steady levels in your body. Staying well hydrated is also very important when taking any supplement, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Pay attention to how your body feels and adjust your dosage or timing if needed, always within recommended guidelines. L-Carnitine is known for its role in energy production and supporting fat metabolism, which can be beneficial for overall health and fitness. Some individuals also report improved exercise recovery and reduced muscle soreness after workouts. While generally well tolerated, be mindful of potential mild side effects such as nausea, stomach cramps, or diarrhea. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult your doctor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.